Hello fans, another video to help you along on that fast track to get, maxed out, get there faster, build your business faster. I'm here to help you along as much as I can. I have only been in this 19 days, but I've really seemed to come along. I'm doing really good, I think, and I want to share with you what I did so maybe you can think about it and do the same. And there's going to be some tips here that you'll get to help you along. Alright, so today we're going to talk about BFOs and we're going to talk about power levels. Alright, how important power levels are to you and your business. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with the BFOs here. This you probably already know, but I want to make sure. So to the left here is the most important people in your network. They change out all the time. They're doing the most work. But that doesn't mean that the people past this didn't do work for you too. Now, I know you can't get absolutely everybody because there's no way. If you have a large network, there's just no way you can get everybody. But we're in the business of helping others. And I want to specify this. This is not about you, it's about them. And them, it's their object is to help you and your object is to help them. In business, it works the same way. We're told when we start out, this is about your customers and not about you. What we're talking about is you're thinking about the money all the time because that's what you're there for. It's not about the money. It's not about you. It's about that customer. And if you think about it that way, you will make a lot more. If you just don't worry about the money part of it or what they're doing for you, you worry about what you're doing for them, you'll be a heck of a lot better. So that's kind of how this whole thing really works. It's about, helping them out. And let me go to one of these guys here. Like this guy. I want to show you this. I don't know if you knew this or know this, but I really didn't pay much attention to it. But everybody can sponsor things and sell things, and this is actually where what he's promoting and what he's doing. And you can actually go through here and see what he's doing, and maybe you want to buy something or put a bid in or whatever the case may be. It looks like he's selling some action figures. He probably has at home. This is some of the stuff that he has at home. I have tons of stuff and I can't wait to put that up there, to tell you the truth. Yeah, this is stuff he sells or promotes. You can also sponsor stuff. Basically you can sponsor stuff that's in the marketplace, and you might have heard this through the 1, 2, 3 learning thing. Alright, so but I wanted to kind of point that out because I really never paid much attention. I seen it up there, but I really never clicked on it, and I never paid much attention to it. Once I get here, my mode is to get these people helped out like they helped me. And, just like their stuff, promote their stuff, repost their stuff, give them comments, it's going to help you out in the long run no matter what. No matter what they do, it's going to help you. So go ahead and do that. And these things, sometimes you'll see these promotions up on their page. Repost them. Do them a favor and repost them so they can get some more bids or whatever they're trying to sell, so they can sell it. They're going to do the same for you. I guarantee it. So, do that kind of stuff for these people. They're your fans. It's kind of like if you're a marketer and you build a list, it's the same thing. You're building your fans. You're building your network. You're building your list. And you want to take care of them. Alright, so that's enough of this. This is basic stuff you should know. One other thing I would like to point out, when I am doing this, I do the same thing. If you watched yesterday's video, I put 2 people up there. So I would like come up here and side click and open another link. So I'd have 2 links at the top here, which you probably can't see, but that's what I would do. That way, when the system slows down, which it always does, you can go to the next guy. Okay? So that's a tip for you. That's something that you can use and make yourself more efficient. You know, that way when one's messing up, you know, taking time out of your posting or whatever, you can go to the next guy and do that. All right, so let's go back. We'll go back to the home page. Now, power levels. How important are they? And, you know, how do you find out when you can, you know, get your next power level? So you can come up here to my balance, and then you can come all the way down to here and hit power level, or power up, I'm sorry. I got 111 bucks. I don't have enough to power up. All right, my next one is $500. I just did one 2 days ago, and I should have did the video then, but I didn't think about it. So I'm just going to go here and pretend that I could power up. It's going to take me to this page, and it's, you know, going to say, okay, this is the one you want. And there goes the phone. So I don't have the money. I only have 111. What I did, you could actually buy this if you want to, you know, invest in your business. But I have people that want to do it for free. And so I'm doing things for free. And what I would do if I had the money is I would come up here and then hit submit. This would have to, I would have to have about 550 bucks. All right, I only have 111, so I can't attempt it. So that's how you do it. I mean, unless you want to use a credit card or PayPal, that's how you do it. You come up when you have the funds in there, you hit that button and you do it. Now, let's go back to the power levels. All right, most likely you're on orange, because most likely somebody watching this past orange probably stopped watching it a while ago. And it's kind of basic stuff, but it's stuff, it's information that people in the first couple weeks or until you get to this orange star really need to know. So you want to power up every time you get the chance. It actually happens automatically. If you you know, if you want to wait, it'll happen automatically. But I'm on a tight schedule. I got goals. I got things I want to do, and I want to help my team, my email list with this. See, I haven't told them hardly anything about this. I did mention it to them, and I got a few people in to kind of get a little feedback. But other than that, they still really don't know. See, I'm going to send them a video and show them a little bit about this after I get, you know, the goals that I want to get done. Make sure everything works. I kind of specialize in going into these little businesses, making sure that, you know, the person on my list is going to make money if they put the effort in. That's the thing. You have to put effort in. You know, to build a network, I spent a day and a half. You have to put time in, and you know, they're actually giving you the money. So all you got to do is do the work. But to help you out and to, you know, build you up, you need these power levels. See, right now, if you're a basic, you're sitting at 2 posts. All right. If you could get up to this $100 one, you'd have 5 posts. All right. That's going to pay you more. And when you, each time you go through these power levels, you'll notice a difference the next day. Once you maybe the next day, if you do it at night and you have a full day the next day, you'll notice it. And Empower's a couple days back, so you have to kind of understand that too. But yeah, you will notice it. Listen, guys, right up here, or was that? All right, I have 1716.99. Before I powered up, I had 1645 something. So you can minus 250 from that is what I had the next, when after I powered up. This is 2 days ago, and I'm already back up to 17. Well, I'm past what I was before. So was the power level worth it? Heck yeah. I mean, today is going to be awesome because it's a complete day of basic green, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty good, pretty darn good. So each time you go through these power levels, heck yeah, they are going to help you out. Now, I don't know if you can skip, instead of paying 500 and 700 or 1,000. I would think you could, but I never, when I was doing mine, I never thought about it. I just waited till I had the money that I needed, and I did it. So there you go. You might be able to skip. Maybe I'll try to hold the money till I get $1,000 a month, $1,000 that I, in credits that I need, and try to just go from here to here. I'm not sure about that. Like I said, I've been in this 19 days and I haven't tried that, but I will. So my goal, and you should have goals too, is to get to red. All right, red star gives you 100% and pays your fees here with your profits. All the rest of these up until that point, you still have to pay a little bit of the fees. Now, if I didn't mention this, this is kind of like a bank. All right, they lent you $1,000 of ad credits, and they're helping you, get money from those campaigns that they're doing. If you pay attention to your, what's in your balance and stuff, they're actually doing, ads for you on your behalf, so you can make money every single day. But to give you the whole money, say that campaign was $50 and you made $10. All right, let's just say that. So now you have 60. They give you the whole $60 in your account. That's why it seems like, wow, we're really making a lot of money, but you still owe them the $50 back, and they charge you a platform fee or something. All right, so a bank is going to do the same thing. You go to a bank and they lend you money. The next month they want money back. This is the same way. It's not a lot of money, so and you really honestly don't have to pay anything until you cash out. But I'm going to tell you something. If you pay, all right, so that's another reason why the power levels. So I'm a basic green. So 34% of my money that's matured and not matured, that I have in my thing, I can pay with my, this percentage that they want. I just did one. It was $12.89. They gave me $6.45 back if I pay it. Now, if you don't pay it, you have to pay the whole amount. Also, they gave me double of what I would make on my posts. Double. They gave me half back and gave me double. I paid the whole thing. I didn't even worry about, using any of my. I just used my money, not the money in the system, because I want to keep powering up. I want to get to that red star. So if I keep using the money, then I'm not going to get to that red star, and that's my goal. So I hope I give you some tips and understanding about this. You can look at this chart and see, basically where you want to put your goal and how fast you want to get there. So if you're, say you're basic and you can't get the $100, but you can get the 25, that gives you an extra post. Maybe you got the 50. Maybe you could jump ahead and try it out and see if you can just go from here to there. I'm not sure. If you go from here to there, it might say $75 to count that one. I'm not positive. I haven't tried it. I will try that though. But go ahead and try it. If you got the money, if you got $100, in your amount there that you can actually power up, try it out. See if you can jump ahead and just make it $50 instead of 75, like I'd had to pay, because I didn't think about that. So, all right, guys, I really hope this gave you some value. I hope you got something out of it. I appreciate you listening through this, and I'm always trying to help you out. I have another video I'm going to do about sponsored ads, because there's not a whole lot there, and what the guy tells you to do in the video, I could never do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it my way, and I hope it's the right way. It's been working for me. I've got like 8 or 9 ads up now running. So it's something that you might want to think about. It gives you extra money, and it actually, let me go back here to home. It actually puts you in the green in that certain area. I won't do it, but I think I showed it to you yesterday. But if you hit more and more on the next one, it'll show you the sponsored ad thing. Well, it came up. Let's see if it'll come up real quick. There you go. There's the one from yesterday. Alright, so you hit more, and then you come down here and hit more, and your sponsored ads came up. So yesterday it was 70%. I don't know why it went down. I didn't do any less. But I was in the green. So that would be one more needle in the green, which I think pays you a little more. Alright, guys, I appreciate you. Look out for the next video. My name is Glenn Byers, and I'm glad, I hope I helped you out. Thanks very much.